Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, I stand before you today to emphasize the undeniable power of positive thinking. In a world that is often filled with chaos and negativity, it is crucial to recognize the significance of maintaining a positive mindset. By cultivating a mindset that is focused on optimism and possibility, you have the ability to transform your life and achieve remarkable success. Positive thinking has the incredible ability to manifest itself into reality. When you believe in your abilities and approach challenges with a positive mindset, you open doors to endless opportunities. With every obstacle you encounter, view it as a chance for growth and learning. Instead of dwelling on the problems, focus on finding solutions and turning adversity into stepping stones towards your goals. The way we think directly influences our actions and ultimately shapes our lives. When we harbor positive thoughts, we attract positive outcomes. Our attitude not only affects our own lives but also impacts those around us. By radiating positivity, we inspire others and create a ripple effect of optimism in our communities. It is essential to recognize that positive thinking does not imply denial or ignorance of reality. It is not about turning a blind eye to challenges or hardships, but rather about acknowledging them and choosing to navigate through them with a positive mindset. By doing so, we gain the resilience to persevere and the strength to overcome any obstacles that come our way. Moreover, positive thinking nurtures a sense of gratitude. When we adopt an attitude of gratitude, we shift our focus from what is lacking in our lives to what we already have. This mindset allows us to appreciate the present moment and fosters a sense of contentment within us. Gratitude acts as a magnet, attracting even more positive experiences and blessings into our lives. The power of positive thinking is an undeniable force that has the potential to transform lives. By embracing optimism, seeking solutions, practicing gratitude, and inspiring those around us, we create a world filled with hope, growth, and limitless possibilities. So, let us choose to harness this power and embark on a journey of positivity, knowing that it is the key to UNL.